Hello everyone. So today I am going to be making a tutorial video because I was having trouble in 2025 trying to find where TikTok Live Studio would be for my content. I wanted to repurpose it and I could not figure out where to find it. And so based on that, I figured it out finally without much help from YouTube videos or shorts. And so therefore I said, let me go ahead and make a video. So if anybody else is looking for this same thing that I was, they would be able to find it. So first and foremost, you do have to have 10,000 followers and a Windows device in order for you to be able to download the TikTok Studio. So it's a TikTok Live Studio that you can download. Once you get over 10,000 followers, it releases your ability to be able to live stream through that, as well as to download for your PC the TikTok Studio. Now, if you are a Mac person, then you would actually need to request a stream key. Now, I'm a part of an agency, and so my agency did state that they can get you the stream key. Outside of that, I'm actually not as familiar with how you can go about getting a stream key for your Mac device. But if you're a part of an agency, my understanding is that most agencies are going to be able to help you to get that stream key if you would like to get that for your Mac device. But let's say that you are at the point of having over 10,000 followers and you need to go ahead and have your TikTok Studio. What you would do is you will actually go into your apps and you would download the TikTok Live Studio app. So once you download that and click on the button, it's going to do some razzle dazzle. It's going to go through this whole launcher. It's going to ask a ton of questions. It's going to take some time to process, to download. You have to give certain permissions, but then finally at some point it will be ready to go. And you're going to get a screen that's going to look like this. And it is a busy screen when it is fully in full display. And so you may see boxes inside of boxes here. It's going to tell you different information from different lives, things of that nature, right? And so what you would want to do is actually, and this was the part that I was having the most trouble with, I was getting here, but I was not finding my previous live content. And so what I did is I clicked all around, I played around, I tried it, I watched so many videos, so many YouTube, so many shorts, so many TikToks that I finally found that the place that you go, and it was very simplistic once I figured it out, but you go all the way up here at the top and you go to this right here. And when you get in there, that little house that has a play button on the inside, that brings you to all of your lives. So this is where you can see in the past 7 days, how long you were live, how many people viewed your live, how many diamonds you got, how many likes you had, how many new followers you received, as well as video in regards to your lives. And so basically you can see here, I was talking about affiliate marketing. It's how I was able to leave corporate America. So I was talking about that for only 30 minutes this morning. So when I click here, you'll be able to see the video of what it was that I did while I was talking. And so the good part about this is that now I can download this to my laptop as opposed to downloading it to my phone, which it is easy to do from your app. And therefore, it will now not only download, but I can upload it to another splicer that can make additional content for me. So I'm super, super excited about figuring out where this is on the platform. So based on that, you can see all of the videos that you had. I try to go live every day, so you can see all of the videos that I had, the different places that I was at while I was conducting the videos, but I'll be able to download all of these videos and be able to upload them somewhere else so that way I can have this content for other platforms. But definitely, if this has been helpful for you, subscribe. I'm newer to YouTube and trying to get my content up and going. And so I appreciate any support that you can give. So like, follow, share. I look forward to connecting with you in regards to content like this, as well as I'm a life coach, so I'll be sharing some life coaching tips and tricks as well. So if you want to find out how I was able to leave corporate America and go into affiliate and digital marketing, then click on the link somewhere on this page and you'll be able to find out more.